Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can access your transfer history in OFX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, all you gotta do is open up your OFX website and sign in. Once you have signed in, you're gonna go to the recent transaction, where you will be able to check out all the transactions that you have done recently. You can click the down arrow next to an account to view all the recent transactions for the account. Now, to download the transaction history, all you gotta do is tap on a transaction that you would like to view. Tap on the view for an account's full history. Once you have seen the statement, you're gonna click into a transaction for more information. Once you have done that, you're gonna click download transaction history in CSV, which will be available option at the bottom. Then you're going to select the account you want to download to. Once you've done that, your formal statement will be downloaded and you can check it out afterwards. You can also download a formal statement by going to the download statement section, tapping on it, and you can select the account and the time period you want, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.